What's up guys, it's your boy Justin Bassetti back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. So today's video we are going to show you guys how to stake your TDrop. So if you haven't yet, please hit that like and subscribe button before I go on with this quick tutorial, and then definitely drop all your comments down below in regards to any of your questions. I did make a new wallet for this purpose just because I did not feel comfortable using my actual wallet, but I did stake my TDrop. So we are going to start off where, at least for people who are not familiar with the website, we're going to see on ThedaToken.org. Here is your wallet. When you click on this, we're gonna go into our own wallet. I did put my mnemonic in already in terms for the password and my actual password. So we're gonna see that here. Of course, everything's zero because it's a new wallet, like I said. So when you're gonna stake your TDrop, it's gonna be very simple actually. You're gonna really just go to stakes, and then you're gonna hit deposit stake right here, and then you're gonna see the stake type, and you're gonna drop all the way down to TDrop. Enter the amount that you would like to stake, especially in your wallet. Really simple. And then all you're going to do is enter the amount and hit next. There's going to be two phases that you'll see a screen pop up. It's going to say 1 out of 2 and then 2 out of 2, and then it's going to be all set. So that's really it. And in case you want to double check in terms of how much TDrop is actually staked, it may take a little bit while in terms of the wallet itself. So we are going to go on Theta Explorer. So the Theta Explorer. So what you're going to do is, in terms of, if you want to see how much you're staking, definitely click on the address on the top over here, and then you're going to copy that and paste it all the way into the Theta Explorer, and then we'll go over here. And then as you can tell, obviously it does not say anything because this is a new wallet, new Theta wallet. There's nothing linked to it. But here you'll see that there's going to be a TNT 20 tab, and you're going to click on that tab, and then you're going to see that's how much tokens you staked in terms of TDrop. So I know this tutorial wasn't exactly as specific some people may want. Just for me personally, I didn't really feel comfortable in terms of using my actual wallet. So hope you guys can really understand that type of idea, especially since there's a lot of scammers and things going on. Definitely do not give your address or any kind of information to anybody. No one from Theta Network will reach out to you about your tokens. So definitely do your own research. Definitely be careful, guys. I really want you guys to be successful in terms of Theta token and Theta Network itself. So really looking out for all the Theta homies out there. So like I said, if you are new to the channel, please hit that like and subscribe button, and really hope this video helped. I know unfortunately I did not use my real one just because I'm a little skeptical about how certain things go about, especially on the internet. Really looking forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Like I said, if it was helpful, definitely please hit that like and subscribe button, and comment down below if you have any questions. I can easily help you guys out over there. But I'll hope I see you guys on the next one. But until then, it's your boy Justin Bassetti, so try to keep up. Hi, deuces.